Hey guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem back with another video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy updo style with flat twists. It's so easy to do and it takes less than 10 minutes. So I call this a recycle style because I'm reusing the same hairstyle without doing all that reparting again. But first, we gotta start with a clean head, y'all. I use Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Shampoo. And I have to tell you guys, this is my favorite shampoo. It is very hydrating, softens my curls and my strands, and I highly recommend this product. I use it particularly during the summer, but now that it's getting warmer, I'm definitely starting to use it now. So as you can see, my hairs are divided into 5 asymmetrical parts. And just a heads up, my facial expressions throughout this video were super serious and at times I looked mad. I guess my face just looks like that when I do my hair, but I apologize in advance for that. So I use these mini rubber bands, a diamond brush, another brush, clips, spray bottle, comb, another comb, brush, styling gel, and then finally, my edge control brush. The first thing I did was clip back my hair and untwist the first twist. I carefully removed the loose rubber band off the hair and gradually loosening the part. I comb and brushed out my hair to get all the tangles out. And then I applied gel, but I only applied gel near the parts and my edges. I did not apply gel to the entire part. This will make your parts look really neat. And also you can take a small brush or even your edge control brush and just brush like the inside of the part down to make the part look even neater. Alright, now it's time to twist the first part. As you can see, I'm doing an overhand method and making sure I twist closely to the scalp. So as you can see, my part is starting to look really clean as I twist. There's no bumps or loose hairs. And it's because I used that method of applying the gel closer to the part. So now I'm securing this part with a rubber band. I like using rubber bands because they secure my twists. They also add a pop of color. So this part is honestly optional. You can leave the twist as it is and just continue to twirl it around your finger to make sure it's tight and simply use hair jewelry as decoration. I'm showing you how to use rubber bands because initially this is what I used to recycle this look. So as you can see, part 1 is done. Next, we're going to move on to part 2 and do the same method as we did before. We're going to cut the rubber bands, unravel the twists, and then apply gel. So as you saw with my first part, I was able to slide the rubber band out very gently. But when it's hard to get the rubber band out, I like to use cuticle cutters. You know those cutters that you use to cut off your dead skin when you're doing your nails? Yeah, I use that to cut the rubber bands because it's just tiny enough to get right under that rubber band and cut it. I find these way easier than using scissors. Scissors are kind of bulkier and a little bit harder to cut the rubber band. But, also keep in mind that you can cut your own hair. So be very, very careful when using these cuticle cutters. So once again, we're going to repeat the same method we did with the first part. We're going to comb and brush up the hair, get all the tangles out, and then reapply the gel, but only near the part. And we twist. By the way, the slower you twist or even braid, the neater your parts will look. So don't rush it. I mean, sometimes, you get tired and you really want to rush through it. No, no, no. Take your time with it and you will have neater parts. When you see them like professional braiders do the hair, do they look like they're rushing through it? Mm-mm. These parts are asymmetrical, so this tiny part took no time at all. And once again, I did the same steps as before: comb, brush, and apply gel. And just a little FYI, if you see me looking the other direction, it's because I'm looking at my wardrobe's mirror. Because looking into the camera, I really can't always tell like what I'm doing, so I like to turn the other direction to look at the mirror. So for the other parts, I'm just gonna let you watch because I'm basically repeating the same method I did for the rest of them. In the meantime though, enjoy some music by the cassette tapes. Also enjoy this real chill jam by Saige. It's called Far Away. Alright, this hairstyle's coming along. As you can see, all the parts are done. Next part is the back of the hair. We use the spray bottle, rinse that hair, and carefully comb out all the tangles. Because I do have 4 different types of hair, so the hair towards the back is the most kinkiest. So that's going to take a little bit longer to detangle. So after I finish detangling, I'm going to apply some gel to bring out them curls. Do the whole method to bring out the curls, as you can see. And I'm also going to apply some gel on the very back to slick it down. And I do this section by section. I take a little bit of hair, apply the gel, and do various techniques to try to get them curls. One of my favorite is the praying hands, where you simply, you put your hair in between your hands and you just pull directly downward. And this really brings those curls out. All right, so now I'm gonna pull all my hair together, get every little twist that I did, and then I'm gonna secure it with a hair tie. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and pull some of those hairs out so you can see my curls. I know this looks crazy, but guys, this seems to work for me. Like twirling my head around and like literally shaking my ponytail. That's how them curls come out. Before I wrap my hair, I'm going to apply this Lottabody Wrap Me Foam to my twists. This is just to make them a little shiny and prevent them from getting fuzzy. Y'all, did you see that? I was about to wrap my hair without doing my edges. I can't believe I was about to do that, y'all. I would have been so mad when I took my scarf off and my edges was just looking all whatever. Now we can do it.
Ryan Little.
So here I'm splitting my ponytail into 2 parts. And I'm going to twist each one. I'm doing this because my curls are, they're not as defined as I want them to be. So I do this method to make them curlier, as you could say. A lot curlier. Well, when my hair wants to cooperate.
Take my hand and hold it.
Alright guys, here is the final
Look
reveal.
at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my recycled flat twist updo. It only took 10 minutes and it's a great way to not do parts over again. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification right over there. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, and wash your hands.